Hi, my name is Ben Marrable and I'm a Splunk Security Consultant at Somerford Associates. Today we're going to talk about using Splunk Security Essentials and its data onboarding documentation. Security Essentials comes packaged with a number of data onboarding guides. These guides cover both sides of the fence when it comes to data onboarding, that is, what to do from the Splunk side and crucially, what to do from the vendor side. Let's take a look at the Office 365 data onboarding documentation. You can navigate to the onboarding documentation by clicking on Learn, Data Onboarding Guides, and Launch Data Source Onboarding Guides. Alternatively, under the documentation page, drop down you can find Data Onboarding Guides. Each data source is listed under its corresponding data source type, aligned to the data inventory pages of Security Essentials. For Office 365, let's expand email to see the Office 365 documentation listed. This shows an onboarding difficulty of hard, a data source where these guides will come into good use. Now you'll see the sections down the left hand side where you can browse directly to that section of the documentation, or you can scroll through from the right. Every documentation has an overview and a general infrastructure piece that describes both the overview of the data onboarding process and general infrastructure required, such as indexes, source types, and forwarding configurations to be able to get data into Splunk. Then the system configuration details what to do in Office 365. With these guides you'll see annotated images with step-by-step elements to complete. Simply follow through the steps to complete the onboarding process, marking each step complete as you go to track your progress. Thanks for listening. If you'd like to know more about Splunk for security, contact us at info@somerfordassociates.com.